Here I have Samsung Galaxy M32, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter accessibility, then go to the TalkBack, then you can enable it here, then allow it, then tap turn on.
TalkBack, navigate up button, double tap to activate, double tap and hold to long press. Accessibility, navigate up button.
And as you can see now,
Activate, double tap and hold
now
to long
TalkBack is activated. If you want to deactivate it, enter it,
TalkBack, navigate up, TalkBack on, switch. Turn off TalkBack, cancel, turn off button. TalkBack off.
and that's how you turn this feature off. And after that, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.